Let's learn how to connect Gitbash to GitHub account. First, open Gitbash. Next, navigate to the directory where you want to store your project. For example, to navigate to the documents directory, you would run cd documents. Now, initialize a new Git repository by running git init. Next, add your files to the repository by running git add. Now, commit your files by running git commit m initial commit. Next, create a new repository on GitHub by going to the GitHub website and clicking the new repository button. Once you have created the repository, you will be given a URL for the repository. It will look something like this. https://github.com/username/repository-name.git. Now, add the GitHub repository as a remote for your local repository by running git remote at origin https://github.com/username/repository-name.git. Finally, push your files to GitHub by running git push u origin master. You will be prompted to enter your GitHub username and password, after which your files will be uploaded to GitHub. Next, you can verify that your files were uploaded by going to the GitHub website and navigating to your repository. Note, it is a good practice to always verify the remote URL before pushing the code. Git remote v. This will show the URL of the remote repository.